Hi my amazing planner friends, it's Jess from My Magical Planner and I have my Sadie stickers March subscription here. I can't wait to open it with you guys. Just a couple of quick things to familiarize you with the Sadie stickers subscription. It is a $25 a month stickers subscription for planners. It is built for a 7x9 planner, but you can use it in other planners. It comes with a 6-page deluxe kit with exclusive artwork. She always posts a vision board up on her website, and I believe it's usually up on her Instagram as well if you ever want to check that out. You can do one-time purchases of the kit. You just have to go into the store and say you're doing a one-time purchase and be able to pay just a little bit more and get the one kit. So with all that being said, this month's artwork is amazing. I'm going to insert it here for you guys. It makes me think of Italy and picnics and just the beginning of spring. And I love the colors that she picked. So let's see how it all turned out. The mailer is really cute as well. So we'll just, all right, if you don't want to see this month's kit, go ahead and come back later because I am about to pull it out. Oh, I love those colors. And we have gold foil. That is always kind of one of the bigger mysteries, is what color foil are we going to get? And this month is gold. So you do get a foil sheet in here. That's a newer edition. So you get lots of extras in here, it feels like. And I have used these to plan in my various planners. It works in all of them. I actually have enough stickers in all of this to plan out my week in my 7x9, my Hobonichi, and do daily pages in the Hobonichi. I could probably incorporate them into my weeks, which I also use, but so far that's much more functional for me. All right, let's look at the beginning. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit here. There we go. Our first page is always our decorative full boxes. So you get 9 of them here on the front. We have some nice florals and some beautiful scenes. You could always break this up into a couple of weeks if you wanted to. You also get a couple of swatches down here at the bottom, which are really nice. They're just little, like, I call them paint swatches. I don't know what everybody else calls them. And then our foiling is just kind of certain elements in these more decorative schemes. So like the table and chairs here and the lamppost are foiled. You have a stamp up here in the corner on this one and the little foiling like dots in there with the flowers. And then the wording here which says, "Every day is a day you've never seen before," which is really pretty. And then we have the gondola here. So maybe it is meant to be Italy. I don't know. But that's just my initial thoughts when I saw, I think these two were the artwork that she showed. And the flowers are just so pretty. I may actually use this next week. What do you guys think? Should we use this next week? I'm going to put a poll up. So go over to my Instagram later this week to see. I usually pick out about 3 kits and let you guys choose. But those are our full boxes. Then we have our boxes page. Now this is just a page with all your functional items. It comes with so many, and she specifically makes it so you can do different layering things. So you can layer some of these boxes with the swatches if you want to have that like shadow effect. You have circles that you can layer together. You have the same with the squares and everything, and you do have some boxes with minimal like decor on them. So if you just want to put stuff down, you can. But really it's kind of made so you can more customize it to your taste and needs. So love that page. Then we have our functional page. So this has all of your headers. She has made these smaller so they're much more dainty and you can fit a lot more on your page using them than you used to be able to. You get a full box that's just kind of an empty box so you can write things in here. You have a Monday through Sunday. So I just started a weight loss thing. I'll link the video up above. So I won't be doing my menu on here. I'm trying to decide what I might want to use this for instead because the diet comes with pre-made meals and my family, at least for the time being, has to make their own meals. We'll see how that goes. Then we have some habit trackers down here, some checklists. We have a couple of torn page elements that are just kind of a neutral like background color with no pattern on it, which is really nice. Then you have a couple of these circular boxes with the floral and some more swatch type boxes. So you have two squares, two kind of midi boxes, and then this slightly larger one, which I think fits the same size as the ones on the front. So you get 4 that are kind of that size. Then we have our washi page. So we have our Monday through Sunday on the side here. She has made these smaller so that you can do a lot more with your daily deco at the top, because that's such a trend right now. You get some nice deco below it that are kind of these bigger elements, but not like the huge elements. Then you have all these different washi strips and headers. So these are headers. There's 2 of them there. So again, they're that really thin header. You get what I think is about a 20 millimeter washi strip here and probably a 5. Really, really pretty. Love the flowers on this one this month. And then you also get this kind of scalloped, I don't know, it makes me think of lace pattern here, which is actually 2 strips, so you can kind of frame something out. Maybe you have something that goes the length of the week that you want to mark special, or maybe you want it underneath all of your day headers. There's a lot of different options. Then we have a page of our deco. So this is like the larger deco like she usually does with her monthly kits, which is kind of nice for journaling and that kind of thing. So you have a large torn paper element here. This one's the more neutral, and then you do also have a patterned one on this side. You have some really big florals in here. I love the Polaroid so much. We have a bike. We have a couple of more swatches in here for color pops. You also have some smaller bouquets in there, and this really beautiful scene up here. Now, to give you a size comparison, so these are the full boxes compared to this floral. So you could easily say break this up and do like a large full floral, and do like a large floral in place of a box on one day and be able to incorporate it that way and that kind of thing. Or even this staircase scene, it might overlap. I'm not sure. It'd be close, but I don't think it would go outside the columns that much. So just a little bit of food for thought there. Then we have our journaling kit. So well, I think she calls this the journaling kit. I'm not positive, but so you have another set of Monday through Sundays here. And then you have all of these different like torn paper elements. You have another Polaroid over here. You have a couple more swatches of color. These work great for like underlining something. Then you have like some torn washi tape down here, some more torn paper. So you get lots of torn paper. I love the stamp elements. I'm so happy to see them in so many more kits now. And then we have more paper up here. This works great for a little checklist. Just so nice. And then you also get all of your floral with this. So you get the large page as well as her floral trims to match. So you have in here, you have like individual little flowers and leaves, but you also have a lot of clusters and bouquets and stuff to use, which makes it so versatile. And then on here you have your long full trims. So if you wanted to do like completely along the top, you can. And then you also have these, which if you're doing like day header ones, you can, or you can just use them as normal dividers. I sometimes use them on the side as like a pre-cut already floral to decorate the side and overlap with my boxes and that kind of thing. And then our last page here is our flower sampler, which is our March foil here. So we have a couple of floral dividers here at the top. And then we have some individual flowers in this area. We have flowers with little dots on them, so like dot clusters, I guess. And then you also have your date dots down here, which is really nice. And they all perfectly match, I think, hold on, the flowers that you have here. So the coordination between the two is going to be really nice. So that's everything I have for my Sadie subscription this month. I hope you guys liked it and that found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.